You know, cruise ship attractions, and we're talking rides on cruise ships, they're getting bigger, more elaborate all of the time. You know, we're seeing roller coasters on the top of cruise ships. We got go-kart tracks on the top of cruise ships. We got rock climbing walls, surf simulators, zip lines, all different kinds of attractions coming to cruise ships. But I gotta ask, because we have another one that's coming out. MSC is coming out with a new attraction to go on top of a cruise ship. And I gotta ask, are we reaching the point where enough is enough? Or are people really looking forward to these new attractions? But are we heading to, you know, Six Flags on the Sea? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, before we get started, I want to thank everybody who joined us for last night's live. Bunch of fun. Really appreciate everybody being there. And of course, we will be back on September the 14th to do it all over again. Look forward to talking to everybody again. All right, attractions at sea. Brand new things that cruise ships are coming out with. And like I said, it does bring up the question, are we reaching the point where enough is enough? Is this something that people really want? Or is it going to reach the point where it's Six Flags at the Sea and the cruise is all about rides and not about the cruising experience? So MSC's new ship, the Seascape, it's going to start sailing this coming November. And on board the ship, they're going to be putting a new amusement-style thrill ride on the ship called the Robotron. Now, I have a short video, a simulation of what the Robotron is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and put that up here for you guys to take a look at. So the Robotron is going to be 3 seats suspended from a robotic arm. It's going to propel the guests in all different directions, flip them upside down, flying about 175 feet above sea level, and hanging them over the edge of the deck. You're going to be able to select your own thrill level speed, from family-friendly fun to the ultimate high-intensity thrills. And guests can also choose their own mood with music, lights, and much, much more. And behind it will be a giant video screen where the rhythm and basses are visualized while the robotic arm bounces and twists with the music. So what do you guys think of this ride? Is this something you want to ride? Is this something you're looking forward to? There's probably tons of people out there that enjoy these thrill rides, such as this one, the roller coasters, flow riders. I mean, there's all kinds of new stuff coming to these cruise ships, stuff that's been on them for a while, stuff that exists. But I've also heard that this kind of stuff takes up valuable real estate on the top decks of the ship. It takes away lounging areas, relaxing areas. And in some cases, the cruise lines actually charge, there's an upcharge to do some of these things. Which brings me to the question, is this the future of cruising? Is this where we're headed? And are we headed there because this is what people want? Do you want more thrill rides? Do you want to see the roller coasters, more bumper cars, and robotic arms on the top of your cruise ships? Are you willing to pay more to do these types of rides? Because I'm sure it's good for the cruise lines. You know, they make some extra money. And of course, the cruise lines wouldn't put these things on board cruise ships if they weren't popular, if somebody didn't want it, or if they didn't think that they could make money from it. But of course, you know, with all new things, it's shiny, it's new, everybody wants to try it, and then is the popularity for such things going to eventually fall off? A lot of questions, really hard to answer. You know, don't have that magic crystal ball that I can rub and say, hey, is this going to be the future of cruising? But I think it's a good cruise comment, a good cruise question to put out there to you guys today. What do y'all think about MSC's new Robotron? Is it something you're interested in, something you're not? Do you think this is the future of cruising? Or do you really wish that cruise lines would go, whoa guys, cruising is about the relaxing experience, it's about the food, it's about the entertainment, it's about the destinations that we visit. It's not necessarily about a robot arm on the top of the cruise ship. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Is this good or is this bad? All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.